SDC Verifier starts from the workbench, so I have already launched it. To create a standalone system from the toolbox list, I'm dragging SDC Verifier to the project schematic. Then I'm left-clicking on the model and dropping it on Model Task in SDC Verifier. After that, I'm executing right-click on the model and pressing Edit to run SDC Verifier. Another option is to simply double-click on the model. We can see Ansys Mechanical automatically launching along with SDC Verifier. A step-by-step project wizard is opened. These sections of jobs, load sets, load groups, and report wizard can either be predefined immediately after the project details have been filled in, or later in the model tree of a newly created project. Moving on to project details, I'm filling in the number of the project and its relevant name, like get started. The description of the project can also be added. Regarding unit system, make sure it corresponds to your model. For the first run, the engineer details like a name of a person, John Smith, for example. Company's name can be filled in. Then, by pressing this button, the details are saved to the library. I'm pressing OK. But for future projects, pressing Library button, the saved details can be loaded. And I'm pressing OK. A relevant logo can be loaded to the library as well. The same logic refers to customer details section. And again, I'm pressing OK. Show on Startup option refers to different projects creation, and by default it is enabled as this project is on its fresh start. But later on, it can be enabled or disabled in Preferences. I'm finally pressing Finish. We can see that the project was successfully created, and in Model Tree I'm expanding Model section, showing you materials, properties, fam loads, constraints, and in Jobs, static structural.